You cannot buy another thing on Amazon until you see this. Amazon just changed the way we shop on their website, inside their app, forever. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk. Amazon rolling out this brand new tool right now that will make sure that you get the absolute best price on everything you buy. And if you hang out to the B side of this video, I'm going to show you how to use that same tool to shop like a product expert. Like you know everything about the products you're shopping for. It's amazing. I'm going to walk you through the whole process. Let's get to it. I want to start right here on the Amazon homepage, amazon.com. This works on the homepage. This works on your phone, on mobile. So many of us shop on mobile these days, but it's pretty much the exact same process on mobile. These are tools that are now built into Amazon that you used to have to go to separate websites for. In fact, I've posted tutorials here on my channel how to use these third-party websites. Now it's all built into Amazon, guys. You've got the power to see the price history of products, to know if the price you're getting on Amazon is the best price, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So, for example, let's jump into a product that I've looked up before here. This is a microphone here on Amazon. You can see the current price is $48.44. Looks like a good price, right? It's 15% off. It says it's normally about $57. But now you see this little blue button next to the price. You also have this blue button up here in the corner as well. This is a price history button, but more importantly, it's an Amazon Alexa AI button. So watch this. When I click on this button, keep an eye out for this button. When you click on it, it's going to take you into an AI chat bar on the side of the page and show you the price history of this product. It is so huge that Amazon is now building this functionality into their website, into their mobile app, so you can make sure that you're getting the best possible price when you buy something. So it automatically shows you the price over the past month. And I can already tell you, look, it was just cheaper over Prime Days, which as I record this was just last week, but before that it was all the way up to nearly $59. But then I can hit the 3-month button and it'll show me that it's been cheaper multiple times. If I go over 1 year, I'll see that it's actually been cheaper a lot, down near $45. So $48.44 is clearly not the best price. So what do? Now that you know, hey, I want this microphone, but I could get it for cheaper if I'm maybe willing to wait it out. What you do is use these options at the bottom. So it gives you a couple of different options. Again, this is an AI tool, so there's lots of things you can do here. You could simply ask it a question about this product, but I want to select this button right here, set a price alert. This is so powerful because by clicking this button, now you can tell Amazon, yeah, I like this product, but I want you to tell me when the price goes to a certain point. And so Amazon will monitor the price, and as soon as it hits your alert level, it'll then tell you, hey, this microphone is now at whatever price you want it to be. So for example, you can say, hey, alert me if it drops to $44.99. Amazon knows that's the lowest price it's ever been. You could say $42. You could even type in manually and tell it that you want it to alert you when it hits $40. I'm going to click $44.99. Again, I know that's the lowest price that it's been, and it's been that price very, very often over the past year. So there's a really good chance it's going to go back down to that price. So now you can even enable these options. This is so cool. Enable auto buy if it drops to $44.99. So now you're telling Amazon, hey, listen, when this goes to $44.99, buy it for me. How powerful is that? So now you've got Amazon essentially doing your shopping for you, watching the price. When it hits your certain price level, it'll automatically buy that product for you. That is so cool and so powerful, and even better, frankly, than the third-party tools that would monitor prices for you, but they certainly couldn't buy a product for you on Amazon. Amazon has the power to do that. Okay, so now here on the B side of the video, I want to show you what else you can do with this. Because remember, this is Alexa for shopping. This is an AI tool. It's not just a price checker, it's an AI tool. And so you can type anything you want into this little chat window, just like you would with any other AI tool, and Amazon can help you shop. So for this product specifically, I want to say, what other mics should I be considering? And I'll hit submit on that. And now it should go through its Amazon database of all of its products and microphones that it sells and give me a list of other microphones that might be a good option. Take a look. So look at how thorough this is, guys. First of all, it says step up from the AM8. This is a better model theoretically, from the same exact brand. It's got popular USB mics, condenser mics with, theoretically richer sound. And then if you go all the way down to the bottom of this long list it provides of different mic options, it'll also give you some kind of key highlights here. Things to consider when choosing: stick with dynamic, go condenser, the Shure SM7B is a professional tier upgrade if you're serious about audio quality, and then it gives you a bunch of other options for questions that it's suggesting you could ask next. So this is kind of like shopping on steroids. If you maybe don't know a ton about what you're looking for, you can ask questions just like you would if somebody you knew was an expert in these products. And Amazon's AI is clearly pretty good and pretty knowledgeable based on its database of all of its products. But what's really cool is, what if I don't even know where to start? Well, all you got to do is go back to the homepage. In the upper left-hand corner, the first submenu you're going to see says Alexa for shopping. It's white here, it's easy to spot, and that will bring up the Alexa chat window on the side of your Amazon page. And you can just start with a blanket question about something you're shopping for or specifics about what you're looking for, and watch this, Amazon will do the work for you. I'm going to type this: I need a USB microphone that will give me pro quality sound for my YouTube video. I want it to be white and include a boom arm, but it needs to be under $60. I've provided some specifics there. I didn't name any brands or specific type of microphone, but Alexa AI is going to go out there and find a bunch of different options. And take a look at this, guys. Best value picks with boom arm included. We've got this Fifine microphone for $45. We've got the best studio style pick here. We've got the most complete kit, which comes with a bunch of stuff, the boom arm, as well as kind of a pop filter as well. The best budget-friendly standout, also worth considering. So it gives me a pretty detailed list of options here. It says all 5 are under $60, include a boom arm, and are white. For YouTube specifically, I'd lean toward the Fifine T669 white. See, it even suggests a specific one for my use case, which I told it. And look at this, it even provides follow-up questions. Compare these two microphones. Which mic is best for voiceover recording? Do any of these work with OBS or Audacity? Show me audio interfaces to upgrade later. This is so cool and so insanely powerful. If you don't know quite what you're looking for, you can just jump into this Alexa AI chat and start asking questions. Start having a conversation, and it'll help navigate the plethora of options that we find on Amazon. Hopefully this was helpful, guys. We're now shopping on Amazon on steroids using their AI tools that has all the information from the vast amounts of Amazon products in its database, in its knowledge world. So what do you guys think? Are you going to use these Alexa AI tools? Do you think this will help you shop? Have you already started to use it? I'm telling you, that price history tool is huge when you're shopping for something and you think to yourself, is this a good deal? Is this the best deal I can get? And Amazon will literally now tell you if that's the case. Comment below, let me know what you're thinking about this new tool. And do me a huge favor, guys, subscribe to the channel. I got a lot more cool demo videos like this coming up here on my YouTube channel. Tack it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.